guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this gorgeous bob wig from LUVME hair. This wig is beautiful. It is pre-made. It comes fitted with an elastic band. It also comes fitted with some combs inside the wig, so you can most definitely wear it glueless, which is what I'm going to be doing today. It has combs in the back, combs on the side, and you can kind of see the parting space, like an L-shaped parting here. The wig comes already bleached and already plucked, so it's pretty much ready for you to go. This is an amazing wig for beginners. I'm going to show you how it came in the box. So when you receive your wig, you're going to get it in this box here. This is the LUVME box, and once you open the box, of course you're going to see your wig beautifully packaged. To start, what I'm going to do, I'm going to shade in the lace just to make it match my skin tone a lot better. So to do that, I'm taking my foundation. I'm actually going to take my contour shade just because it's a little bit darker and it will show up a lot better with these harsh lights, because if I use my foundation shade, it might look like it doesn't match, but in real life it does. But under these lights it does look quite funny. So I'm going to take my contour shade. I'm literally flipping the wig inside out and taking my brush and drawing in exactly where the lace is showing on the wig. So I'm going to do that all the way to the top of the parting. So I'm going to draw that all in like that. Not sure I need the wig grip, but I'm just going to try it on to see. Just like that. Now I'm going to put the wig straight on. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like straight on. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love the movement of this wig, and it's quite full. So I'm going to turn around and show you what it looks like from the back. From the side. I know that you can see the wig grip, but I'm going to go ahead and fix that later. And I'll show you what it looks like from the back. See, I love the idea of the wig grip, and I think it fits really well with it on, and it's hard to take off my wig, but I don't like the fact that it's showing through my wig. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw that in, specifically in that area. All that needs to be done with this wig is literally for me to cut off the lace. So I'm gonna take my eyebrow razor and I'm gonna begin to cut. Just gonna put this back so it doesn't get in the way. Can you guys see how quick and easy that was? I'm tempted to cut some baby hairs here and just do a little swoop moment, but honestly, you guys know how I feel about you guys know how I feel about baby hairs. I just feel like they're unnecessary sometimes. But I'm gonna go ahead and flatten the leave out area or the lace area here, just so we can get a really nice seamless look. Taking some argan oil, I'm just gonna put that on the lace. This wig is stunning, oh my gosh. Because I'm extra, I'm just gonna go over the hair a little bit with my straighteners just to make it really nice and straight. That is pretty much it. That is it with this hair. This is giving grown woman in her bag. I don't have time. I have kids, I have responsibilities, and this is so quick and easy for the working mom or anyone that just feels like wigs are just not their thing. You guys saw how easy and quick that was. You need to get this wig in your basket. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna show you the parting. It is stunning. Literally melts so well with my skin tone with that little trick. And the wig grip at the bottom means your wig isn't going anywhere. It's literally gripped. So no one can accidentally pull on your wig and it's gonna come off. So I'm gonna do a little side profile here. This is what the wig looks like from the side. This is what it looks like from the back. From the front, gorgeous. And from the other side. Isn't it just stunning? Make sure you check out all the details in the description box. I'm gonna leave a direct link to this exact wig if you want to get your hands on it. I'll leave it in the description box. And I want to say thank you so much to LUVME Hair for sponsoring this video. I'll leave all their details as well as their socials in the description box as well. Hopefully you guys like this video, and I'll see you soon in another one. Bye guys. Mwah.